iTwist Restaurant software is easy to use for dine-in, takeout, and delivery. Here's a table layout with a secure login and the table layout setup. So you can set it up the new table system. So here is creating a section as per your restaurant seating arrangement. So click on add a section, name it anything you prefer. Here in this case we name it as a main, and within these sections you can add different type of tables, circular, rectangulars or square tables, as many as you have in your restaurant. Here 10 tables. Drag it over wherever you want. So this will be easy to set it up as per your requirement. Here click on options to do the initial setup for departments, menu items, customers, text, and other things. Here you can set it up the text based upon your city. So you got a like capability of adding three up to like three texts, and after adding the appropriate texts and value, just click on update. Adding the department for menu. Pick a color and then save it. Get three options. You want to add more departments. So add the next department. So this way you can add as many as department in your menu. Each menu you can select a different color. select a table, and these are the different departments added as per the menu. So this way you can add more departments with different colors. So this will be displayed on the left side of the screen. Now here we can add, we can look up the different add different departments available, or which we already added. So we can add more departments just clicking on the add button. Here in the list, now we can add the menu items by clicking on inventory, select a department, so within the appetizer departments we are going to add items. To add the cost, roughly cost, and the price you charge customer, and select a color for this item. So two printers are already added, which is the one for the kitchen and one for the receipt. So this way, one by one, you can add the items in the different departments as per your menu. These items were added in the appetizer, so it's by clicking on the appetizer, this will show. So this is how you can add the customer if you do a lot of deliveries or take it out and you have a repeated customers. You can add the customers in your database, and which you can select if the customers come back. Some basic informations need to be added here. can select the different currency. If you are based in US, then it's dollar. If you just are in Europe somewhere, you can select euro. For other part, you can add the different type of currency. So there are a lot of features. They're easy to add. So these are the reports which you can view once like your restaurant is operational and you have some transactions done, and this will show the reports on the sale, inventory and other items. So you can set up the kitchen printer and the receipt printer by clicking on add printer. So initially you will install this in your Windows system, and then from the software you will select those printers. So on the left hand side you will select the name of the computer where you are setting this printer, and then what type of printer in the middle section, and on the right hand side the actual printer. So there are a ton of reports here, some extra reports. Here you can add the new employees, your cashiers with the different permissions. In the database, you can back up the database, restore it, or delete it. That was a checkout, simple checkout.